Hey guys, let's see how to control your Amazon Fire TV or your Fire Stick using Android. So it's pretty simple. You just need to go to the store and look for the Amazon Fire TV, right? So here you look for Amazon Fire TV app. That's the one. Just install it. In my case, I already have here the Amazon Fire TV. I just need to open it up. And then it's going to look for your TVs, right? You see here that I have two TVs. I just need to choose one of them. But before this, if it is not finding your TV, just make sure that you have your phone connected to the same Wi-Fi as your TV. So basically here on settings, right, you can just check your Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected to the same Wi-Fi as the TV. And then you come back here to the app and it's going to connect. Okay, here's the bedroom Fire TV, and then it gives you a code. You see back there's a code. I just need to type it here, and it's verifying the pin, and it's ready, right? So now I can control my TV from here. Pretty easy, you see it, and I can even use the remote control, so I can type anything that I want here on the keyboard. And look for the settings and everything else here. Okay, so pretty easy. That's the way you can control your Fire TV using your phone with the Fire TV app. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.